Hey everyone, what is up? I am Rishabh and you are watching It's All Art. Today we are going to learn how to draw and shade squirtle. So let's start. The sketching part is already done, but don't worry, this is a complete drawing tutorial. Just watch till the end. Use the scale to measure different areas of the drawing and mark it with pen or pencil. It's a very easy method and this will give you a rough idea about your drawing. Repeat this measuring and marking method as many times as you want if you are a beginner. This will help you to understand the distance and gap between every part of your drawing much better. Now use 2B pencil and blend it with cotton bud. Use 8B pencil for darker parts and 2B for lighter. At last, use black pen for eyes. If you like our video, please subscribe and press the bell icon